How to use social channels for exclusive marketing campaigns is the episode today. And that website audit that you did and then finding out what customers are looking at your site, well, use that information along with the post that I've got in the show notes. If you go to the GuyerCookReport.podbean.com and look up how to use social channels for exclusive marketing campaigns, you're going to find that statistics and awareness has been created there for how important social media is to being part of your marketing campaign. So I want you to take a minute and take a look. There are several links in there that I've kind of separated out with a little row of stars, and hope that helps you in your campaign planning and so forth. This is the end of the episode. Take a look at the show notes for the rest of the story. Thanks for taking time out of your day. It's a wrap.